In the last lectures, we have seen how to assign RS configuration, how to convert a given molecule into Fisher projection. In the Fisher projection, you will be representing the molecule as a plus. The groups which are present on the horizontal line are coming towards us. The groups which are present on the vertical line are going away from us. Agreed? Right? Okay. So if the lowest priority group is not present on the vertical line, then what you need to do? You need to write the configuration. उस configuration का उल्टा जो भी रहेगा, that will be the answer. For this particular case, you are rotating it in the clockwise sense, 1, 2, and 3 path. The lowest priority group is present on the vertical line, hence this will be R. Okay, यहाँ पे 1, 2, and 3, the lowest priority is present on the horizontal. So if you are rotating it, आपको R आ रहा है, so इसका खुद का configuration क्या होगा? S होगा. Okay. Always see if the given two compounds are they identical or are they mirror images of each other based on assigning RS configuration. Write the configuration of the molecule. If the molecule, both the given molecules are R, इसका मतलब दोनों same compounds है. If one of the molecule is R and the mirror image of it is S, okay, the other molecule is having S, then they will be enantiomers. What are enantiomers? Enantiomers are non-superimposable mirror images of each other. The two optical isomers which are mirror images of each other, they are called as enantiomers. Okay? ठीक है. हमने ऐसा कुछ देखा, if you are having more than one chiral carbon, in that case the molecule can be chiral overall or it can be achiral. It will be chiral if you are having asymmetry. मतलब the molecule should not be symmetrical. In this case, the molecule is not symmetrical. Or else if you assign the configurations, both of them are R. मतलब both the half parts will be rotating in the clockwise sense or in the anti-clockwise sense. A clockwise या anti-clockwise कैसा पता चलेगा? Based on the experiment of polarimeter. Only if you place this molecule in the polarimeter, then only I can say if it is dextro-rotatory or levo-rotatory. By assigning RS configuration, I can never say if it is dextro or levo. R can be dextro, R can be levo. S can be dextro, S can be levo. Okay? यहाँ पे दोनों R है, इसका मतलब दोनों एक ही साइड रोटेट करेंगे. So overall molecule will be chiral. Or these two are non-superimposable mirror images. You cannot superimpose these two. Agreed? Whenever you have Fisher projection, don't invert it. मतलब इसको flip मत करना. You need to rotate this particular molecule in the same plane about the axis. Okay? Don't flip it. If you are flipping it, the grooves which are present on horizontal line should be now placed on vertical line. Okay? Agreed? Don't flip the Fisher projections. You can rotate the Fisher projections in plane. You can judge. Is that clear? Everyone? Okay? Okay. These are non-superimposable mirror images, hence they are called as enantiomers. I have taken another molecule where you are forming superimposable mirror images. Matlab, if I am rotating this molecule in the plane of paper by 180 degrees, I will be seeing this particular form. So you are getting the same form. So both of these two compounds are the same compounds. If the compounds are same compounds, they are called as homomers. Okay. These two are not two different compounds, na? As these two are not two different compounds, I will call these two compounds
in progress.
It got disconnected. Today I'm having weak internet connection. I'm not putting my video on. Whenever you don't hear me, please give me a sign or leave a message, okay? Okay. What I'm explaining is, if two molecules are identical, they are called as homomers, okay? इस particular case में you are having RS and the mirror image of it is SR. These two are not two different compounds, they are the same compounds. Why am I saying that they are the same compounds? Because these two are superimposable on each other. How to see if they are superimposable or not? Rotate this molecule in the plane of paper by 180 degrees. If you are rotating it by 180 degrees, ये दोनों OH cis side आ जाएंगे, ये दोनों हाइड्रोजन cis side चला जाएंगे, which is nothing but this molecule. Agreed? So these two are not two different compounds, they are the same compounds. The molecule is symmetrical. Whenever you have a symmetrical molecule, R, S, and SR are not two different, they are the same. Is that clear? Everyone? And such a compound is called as meso. What you need to see? You need to see a plane of symmetry. If you are having plane of symmetry, then that compound will be a meso compound. Despite having presence of chiral carbons, you are having chiral carbons, still the molecule is achiral. Is this clear? Okay. उसके बाद हम chiral compounds with chiral carbons ऐसा कुछ heading पढ़ा. If you are having only one chiral carbon, then the compound will definitely be chiral, and the mirror images will be called as enantiomers. Okay. When molecule is having more than one chiral carbon, you can have a meso compound or you can have enantiomers. That depends upon symmetry. If it is symmetrical, then it is called as meso. If it is asymmetric, you will be having mirror images which are non-superimposable, which are called as enantiomers. Then we have seen one more important term called diastereomers. Diastereomers का मतलब क्या है? They are also isomers. If you observe 1 and 2, these two are isomers because they are having same molecular formula. But they are not mirror images of each other and they are also not identical. ये दोनों same compound नहीं है ना, these two are different. So these two compounds, among them, they will be called as diastereomers. Diastereomers are isomers which are not mirror images of each other. Clear? So 1 and 2 are diastereomers, 1 and 3 are also diastereomers. Diastereomers जो term है, it is not only used for optical isomers, it can also be used for geometrical isomers. The definition says that they are not mirror images of each other, but they are isomers. These two are also not mirror images of each other, and they are isomers. Hence, they can also be classified as diastereomers. So cis and trans compounds are also examples of diastereomers. Is that clear? Okay. Next, very important, you will be asked definition of this in your boards. Racemic mixture. Racemic mixture. Okay. उसके लिए example लेते हैं. Suppose you are having compounds 2 and 3. If you are having compound 2 alone, मान लेते हैं this is dextrorotatory. So whenever I pass the plane of polarized light through this particular compound, what will happen? The plane of polarized light will be rotated in the clockwise direction. If I am having this compound alone, the plane of the polarized light will be rotated in anti-clockwise direction by the same angle. Agreed? Now, if I have both of these compounds in the same tube, दोनों को ले रहा हूं मैं, ये वाला molecules भी ले रहा हूं, ये वाला molecules भी ले रहा हूं. What will happen in that case?
No rotation.
No rotation. No rotation will be possible if and only if I have equal number of molecules 2 and 3. Agreed? If I'm having more and more molecules of 2, then the net rotation will be dextro. If I have more and more molecules of 3, then the net rotation will be levo. Agreed? If I'm having equal molecules, or else if I can say if I'm having equal concentration of 2 and 3, in that case there will be no net rotation. Okay, such a particular mixture is called as racemic mixture. A racemic mixture is optically inactive, but individual compounds inside the mixture are optically active. Clear hai? Whenever I'm passing the plane of polarized light, the plane of polarized light has no net rotation. So we expect the compound which is present inside the container is optically inactive. But वैसा है क्या? नहीं. Individual compounds are optically active. The overall mixture is becoming optically inactive. Is that clear? Okay. So such a mixture is called as racemic mixture. यहाँ पे लिखा है equimolar mixture of equal concentration. Equimolar mixture of enantiomers is called as racemic mixture. Clear, everyone? Okay. यहाँ पे definition लिखा है. Everyone concentrate here. A racemic mixture is optically inactive due to external compensation of rotation. There is cancellation of rotation in racemic mixture due to presence of opposite configurations about the external mirror. External compensation का मतलब क्या है? ये जो particular molecule है, overall it is rotating clockwise, and this particular molecule is rotating anti-clockwise. So the rotation got compensated externally. Two different molecules are compensating the rotation. There is something called internal compensation. Everyone understand this? Internal compensation matlab kya hai? If I am passing the plane of polarized light through the meso compound, what will happen? Half part of the compound is trying to rotate it in the clockwise sense. The other half is rotating in the anti-clockwise sense. क्योंकि ऊपर R है, नीचे S है. Agreed? Everyone. So what is happening? The net rotation is getting cancelled out internally. Molecule के अंदर ही compensate हो गया वो. इसमें क्या हुआ? This is external compensation. The two different molecules are cancelling the net rotation. Clear? So a racemic mixture is optically inactive due to external compensation or because of presence of two different configurations about an external mirror. A meso compound is optically inactive due to internal compensation. Molecule के अंदर ही compensate हुआ. Or it is due to presence of two different configurations about an internal mirror. यहाँ पे mirror लगाओ. Molecule के अंदर ही. You are having two different configurations, opposite configurations about an internal mirror. Hence it is called as internal compensation. Agreed? You will be seeing this statement in your NCERT. You need to understand what is meant by external compensation and internal compensation. They will ask which of the following statements is true. They will say meso compound is optically inactive due to external compensation. True or false? A meso compound is optically inactive due to external compensation. True or false?
False.
False. It is optically inactive due to internal compensation. Agreed? Everyone clear है? So यही वही points यहाँ पे लिखा है. Racemic mixture is optically inactive due to external compensation of rotation. There is cancellation of rotation in racemic mixture due to presence of opposite configurations about an external mirror. Okay. Meso compound is optically inactive due to internal compensation of rotation. There is cancellation of rotation in meso compounds due to presence of opposite configurations about an internal mirror. Is that clear? Opposite configurations about external mirror in case of racemic mixture, opposite configurations about internal mirror molecule के अंदर अंदर ही in case of meso compound. Can I move ahead? Everyone please put your video on. Very good. Okay. So overall, if you want to judge if a given molecule will be chiral or not, आपको देखना क्या है? वो symmetric या asymmetric देख लेना. If it is asymmetric, no one can stop it from being optically active. Okay, it will definitely be optically active. Asymmetric is the only condition, and then it is the necessary and sufficient condition for a molecule to be optically active. Clear? Okay. कुछ questions ने कुछ doubts भेजा है मुझे. I am taking some of the questions. This particular molecule, the question is, which particular isomerism is shown by this molecule? ओके क्या क्या आइसोमरिज्म पढ़ा हमने? ज्योमेट्रिक पढ़ा, स्टीरियो पढ़ा, एंड देन फंक्शनल, ये सब भी पढ़ा. देखते हैं. कैन दिस पर्टिकुलर मॉलिक्यूल शो ज्योमेट्रिक आइसोमरिज्म?
Yes, sir.
कैन इट?
No. No.
ज्योमेट्रिक आइसोमरिज्म के लिए बेसिक कंडीशन क्या है? द ग्रुप्स विच आर अटैच्ड ऑन द सेम कार्बन मस्ट बी डिफरेंट. बट यहाँ पे दोनों सेम ग्रुप्स है. सो इफ व्हेनेवर यू आर इंटरचेंजिंग दीज टू, फर्क क्या पड़ेगा? ये डिस्टेंस ही मिलने वाला है आपको. you will be having the same geometric distances. Okay, so it cannot show geometric isomerism. Can it show optical isomerism?
Yes, sir.
Geometric isomerism? No. Okay, optical isomerism?
Sir.
What is the reason for that? How?
sp3 hybridized atom, or it should be attached to 4 different groups.
Very good. You are having an sp3 hybridized atom here which is attached to 4 different groups. ये बड़ा सा एक है, ये वाला और ये वाला. So this is chiral. This carbon is chiral. If it is chiral, and how many chiral carbons do you have? You have only one chiral carbon. Okay, if you have only one chiral carbon, it will be optically active. So होगा. इसी में और एक दिया है tautomerism करके. They have given tautomerism. Can this molecule show tautomerism?
हाँ sir.
अगर tautomerism के लिए अगर सोच रहे तो in case if you are thinking of this is an sp3 hybridized carbon, उसके ऊपर hydrogen atom है. That particular hydrogen atom, if you are removing it and if you are forming an OH here, ऐसा ही कुछ करने सोच रहे क्या आयुष तुम?
नहीं, मैं सिर्फ वो एक अल्फा एच है और वो sp3 hybridized atom को है ऐसा सोचा.
नहीं, इसके साथ साथ और भी कुछ सोचना है ना. If you are forming a double bond, ये वाला होगा, ये जो पर्टिकुलर ऑक्सीजन है वो OH में कन्वर्ट होगा, ऐसा कुछ. ऐसा कुछ होगा ना. क्या किया, इसका हाइड्रोजन हटाया, यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड बनाया, C डबल बॉन्ड जो है I have converted that into OH. Okay,
Enol.
this looks like enol, absolutely true, but this particular compound is highly unstable. बाद में हम एक statement पढ़ने वाले हैं. The statement is whenever you have two OH groups present on the same carbon atom, it is always highly unstable. You can never have that. Okay, because of that particular reason, what we will do, this particular compound, which we will not say it will exhibit tautomerism. Okay, the isomerism, the most common isomerism it can show is optical isomerism. Moreover, this is enol, which is not having any significant stability in this case. Enol कब stable रहता है? If it is a diketo compound, if it is achieving aromaticity, okay, if it is beta diketo with an aryl group, all these are conditions for that. So best possible option, ये आपके material में है ये question, the best possible option is optical isomerism. Clear? Everyone? Okay. Please write the IUPAC name of this compound. IUPAC name. Please put your video on, everyone. Those who missed initial lectures of the stereoisomerism, quickly go through those lectures. Very, very important to understand all these basics. Remaining of the organic chemistry will always have these basics. There are like 5 lectures. Please go through all those lectures. Yeah. इसका IUPAC name के लिए
3-bromo.
Okay, very good. बताओ जल्दी. हाँ,
Butane to all.
3-bromo butane 2
2
all.
all.
Can this compound exhibit optical isomerism? As it can. It has 2 chiral carbons. Okay. So if it is exhibiting optical isomerism, it will be having different molecules having the same molecular formula, and they will be having the same name as well. So in order to differentiate among them, what you will do, you will assign R and S. R and S assign karte samay, you need to do numbering. The numbering is done in such a way the functional group gets the lowest possible number na. So second carbon के ऊपर आपको OH है. Please write the configuration of this.
2s.
ये वाला 1 होगा. This will be 2. This will be
Yes,
3.
sir.
This will be 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I'm rotating it in clockwise sense, but the lowest priority is not on the vertical line. So this will be S होगा. R होना चाहिए, बस उल्टा लिखना है. Again, यहाँ पे this is 1,
R.
that's 2, this is 3, this is 4. 1, 2, and 3. I'm rotating it in anti-clockwise sense. S होना चाहिए, but it will be R. Okay. What you will write is, in the name, you will add 2s because second carbon के ऊपर S start हुआ. The 2 and 3 indicates the numbering in the IUPAC name. उसी numbering को आपको follow करना है. Don't write that as 3s 2r. It will be 2s 3r. आया समझ में? 2s 3r 3 bromo butane 2 all. Is that clear, everyone? Okay. This is about chirality in acyclic compounds. If you are having cyclic compounds, even in cyclic compounds, you can have an asymmetric molecule. If it is an asymmetric molecule, you can have a mirror image of it, which will be non-superimposable and which will be having an opposite rotation. So let us see how to identify chirality in cyclic compounds. Okay, if you have seen the material mein, some of the questions are based on cyclic compounds. That is also important. Let us see how to identify chirality in cyclic compounds. Is that clear, everyone? Yahan tak? Okay. In order to have an acyclic compound to be chiral, is it necessary to have a chiral carbon? In order to have a acyclic compound matlab which is not cyclic. In order to have an acyclic compound to be chiral, is it necessary to have a chiral carbon? No, right? We have seen examples also. Oh, Alene wala example. याद है आपको? We have seen this example. This particular molecule don't have any chiral carbon, yet it is chiral. Okay. Similarly, if you are having a cyclic compound, for the cyclic compound, it is compulsory to have a chiral carbon. Then only you can have a cyclic compound as chiral. Very important difference between these two, acyclic and cyclic. Is that clear? You need to have a chiral carbon. So first of all, let us understand how to see or how to look for a chiral carbon in a cyclic compound. So यहाँ पे मैंने आपको कुछ points लिखा. Chiral carbon in cyclic compounds. Let us try to identify a chiral compound in a cyclic compound. Sorry, a chiral carbon in a cyclic compound. Read the first point. The carbon must contain 2 different groups which are not in the ring. Which are not in the ring. मतलब क्या है? Suppose if I take this particular molecule, okay, cyclohexane. Let us try to identify if it is having a chiral carbon or not. What is the first point? The carbon must contain 2 different groups which are not in the ring. ये जो particular carbon है, this is having two groups which are hydrogens which are not part of the ring. The remaining are these. Okay, the remaining two bonds are this. You are having two groups hydrogens which are not part of the ring. What is the first point? The carbon must contain two different groups which are not part of the ring, but you are having two groups as hydrogen. So can this carbon be chiral? No, right? So in this particular case, there is no chiral carbon. Let us take another example. If I take this compound, you are having hydrogen, and I'm taking another group as chlorine. Is the first condition satisfied for this compound? The carbon must contain two different groups which are not part of the ring. You are having a hydrogen and chlorine. Is it satisfied? Agreed? Okay. ये वाला कार्बन बाकी कार्बन्स के लिए कंडीशन satisfy नहीं हुआ. So you need to check only this. Clear? क्योंकि बाकी कार्बन्स के लिए you are having hydrogens. Is that clear? Okay. See the second rule. If we move in clockwise and anti-clockwise directions from this carbon, the path traced must be different. If you are moving in clockwise and in anti-clockwise directions, the path traced must be different. मतलब क्या है? Suppose I'm marking this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is in clockwise sense. In anti-clockwise sense, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash. क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में जो पाथ है, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में जो पाथ है, आर दे सेम और आर दे डिफरेंट? ये क्लॉकवाइज हुआ, ये एंटी क्लॉकवाइज हुआ.
Same.
Whenever I am tracing this particular path and this path, are these two different paths or same paths?
Same paths.
Same.
सेम ही है. दिख रहे हैं ना, यहाँ पे भी 1 2 3 4 5 कार्बन है, वैसा ही इस साइड भी 5 कार्बन आ रहे हैं. We don't have any difference. Okay, so will this particular carbon be chiral?
No, sir.
No. So there is no chiral carbon in here as well. Let us take another example. Okay. Is this particular carbon attached to two different groups which are not part of the ring? Yes. Okay. The clockwise path and anti-clockwise path, are they same or different? Clockwise में आप लोग को on the first carbon, if I'm numbering this, on the first carbon you are having a double bond. In anti-clockwise path, you are getting the double bond on the fourth carbon. So whenever you are going in clockwise and anti-clockwise, are the paths same or different?
Different.
Different. So this particular carbon will be called as chiral carbon. We are just identifying chiral carbons. We are not identifying if the molecule is chiral or not as of now. Is this clear? So the carbon is chiral. Agreed? Okay. I will give you some questions. Identify if there is a chiral carbon or not. Are there any chiral carbons in this? Okay. Is there any chiral carbon in the first molecule?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hannah, you are having a chiral carbon here. The clockwise path 1, 2. On the second carbon, you are having double bond O. 1, 2, 3, and 4. On the fourth carbon, you are having double bond O. Obviously, the paths are different. So this is having a chiral carbon. Okay. In this second molecule,
No, sir.
No, sir.
no, right?
No, sir.
There is no chiral carbon. What is the reason for that? Even though these two are two different, यहाँ पे भी 1, 2, 3 third carbon पे है, 1, 2, 3 third carbon पे है. The path is same. In this, are there any chiral carbons? Are
No.
there any chiral carbons?
No.
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
You can check for this carbon and this carbon. दोनों कार्बन्स के लिए 1, 2, 3 थर्ड पोजीशन पे क्लोरीन है, 1, 2, 3 थर्ड पोजीशन पे क्लोरीन है. सिमिलरली इससे 1, 2, 3 क्लोरीन है, 1, 2, 3 क्लोरीन है. So you don't have any chiral carbon. Agreed? I can check for these two. ये भी check कर सकता हूँ, ये भी check कर सकता हूँ, because those two are having two different groups which are not part of the ring. Right? दोनों के लिए clockwise and anti-clockwise paths are same, hence it is not a chiral carbon. In this also I can check for these. Yeah. Is there any chiral carbon?
No, sir.
No, right? Again, क्योंकि 1, 2, 3 थर्ड पोजीशन पे ही आपको क्लोरीन है, 1, 2, 3 थर्ड पोजीशन पे ही आपको क्लोरीन है. In both the paths, the chlorine is facing downwards only. यहाँ पे भी downwards है, इस path में भी downwards है. So there is no different path. Similarly, इसके लिए यहाँ पे भी क्लोरीन upwards है, इस path के लिए भी क्लोरीन upwards है. Okay. So even for here, there is no chiral carbon. Clear? Okay. Next, I hope this is clear to everyone. So if you know how to see if there is a chiral carbon or not, let us see if the given molecule can be chiral or not. Okay. What is the condition? The first condition is it should definitely contain a chiral carbon. Conditions for cyclic compound to be chiral, it must contain a chiral carbon. Chiral carbon definitely hona chahiye, then only we need to see if the compound will be chiral or not. Next point, it should not have plane of symmetry or center of symmetry. We need to understand what is meant by center of symmetry. I hope everyone knows what is meant by plane of symmetry. पता है क्या आपको? Okay, देखते हैं. एक example ले लेते हैं. Suppose if I'm taking this molecule, okay, I'm taking two groups. You have Cl and hydrogen, Cl and hydrogen. First tell me, are there any chiral carbons or not?
Yes, sir.
How many? How many? You have
Two.
two chiral carbon. This carbon is chiral because it is having two groups which are not attached to the same carbon. Sorry, which are not part of the ring. Here also you are having two different groups which are not part of the ring. Clockwise direction में आपको first carbon पे Cl आ रहा है, anti clockwise direction में last carbon पे आ रहा है. Similarly इसके लिए भी anti clockwise में first carbon पे आ रहा है, anti clockwise clockwise में आपको first carbon पे आ रहा है, anti clockwise पे last carbon पे आ रहा है. Okay, agreed? So you are having two different groups which are not part of the ring, and you are having different clockwise and anti-clockwise paths for both the carbons. Agreed? So these two are chiral. Clear hai? Even though it has chiral carbons, is this molecule chiral overall?
No, sir.
No. The reason is it is having a plane of symmetry. Okay, I have not drawn the molecule symmetrical, but this is having plane of symmetry, right? So hoga kya? If this particular half part of the molecule, if it is rotating in the clockwise sense, the remaining half will be rotating it in the anti-clockwise sense. Agreed? Okay, so this particular compound will be called as
Chiral.
Mesocom.
Meso.
we will call this as meso. Even though it is having chiral carbons, overall the molecule is achiral. Okay, I hope this is clear. What is the reason for that? Because of plane of symmetry. Okay, let us take another example. यहाँ पे Cl है, हाइड्रोजन Cl. Okay, do you see chiral carbons? How many chiral carbons are there? Two. This is a chiral carbon. This is also a chiral carbon. Is there any plane of symmetry?
No, sir.
There is no plane of symmetry, or else if you are taking mirror image of it, it will look something like this. आपको यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन रहेगा, chlorine, and this is chlorine, this is hydrogen. Are these two superimposable or non-superimposable? They are non-superimposable, right? Suppose if you invert it in the plane of paper, if you are inverting it in plane of paper, तब क्या होगा? ये जो Cl है, it will be coming here. Same यही बनेगा ना? If you invert it, I am not rotating it in the plane of paper, I am inverting it. Okay. Okay, जैसे वो डोसा को ऑमलेट को करते हैं ना, ऐसा इन्वर्ट किया तो I think you will get the same molecule again. Agreed? Cl फिर से यहाँ पे आएगा और ये हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पे जाएगा, ये Cl जो है ये ऊपर आएगा. This particular ring is in the plane of paper. This Cl is above the plane, hydrogen is below the plane. This hydrogen is above the plane, this Cl is below the plane. Is that representation clear? Okay, you are getting the same molecule, so I won't be superposing both of them no matter what. Is that clear? So this particular molecule is chiral, and these two are called as
Enantiomer.
enantiomers. Okay, so whenever you are having chiral carbon, if you see plane of symmetry, ये तो हमको already पता है, if there is plane of symmetry, the molecule will be achiral. Here you are having a plane of symmetry and this is meso. There is something called center of symmetry. We need to understand what is meant by center of symmetry and what is how to identify center of symmetry. क्योंकि कभी-कभी molecules में you may not see the plane of symmetry at the molecule can be achiral. That is because of presence of center of symmetry. It is not necessary that you need to have both of them in order to consider the molecule to be achiral. Plane of symmetry आपको दिखा भी नहीं. If you see center of symmetry, then also it will be achiral. Clear है ये? Is this point clear? We already know how to identify plane of symmetry. Let us see what is meant by center of symmetry. Everyone, is this clear? Can we go ahead? Okay. What is plane of symmetry? It is imaginary plane which acts as a mirror and divides the molecule into two halves, two equal halves. Okay. Let us understand what is meant by center of symmetry. It is the center of the molecule from which all the atoms or groups are equidistant along the diagonally opposite ends. Are equidistant along the diagonally opposite ends. This is how we check for the center of symmetry in case of molecules. First, let us understand what is meant by center of symmetry. If you take square, if I draw diagonals of square, both the diagonals will be intersecting at a common point. Agreed? This particular point is the reference point for seeing center of symmetry. Whenever you draw body diagonals, if all those diagonals intersect at a common point, that particular point, we will be considering that particular point as a reference for center of symmetry. मतलब क्या है? If you are having a pentagon, pentagon में कितना sides रहेगा? Need students?
5.
5. Very good. बस इतना ही काफी है, हमें इतना ही जानना है. If you draw the diagonals, this is one diagonal. This is another diagonal. This is the other diagonal. Are these all diagonals intersecting at a common point? No, right? Is there any common point of intersection of all these diagonals?
No.
Unlike in square. Square में क्या हुआ? All the body diagonals, all the diagonals are intersecting at a common point. So the square will be having center of symmetry. Okay. COS. If you are having pentagon, there is no center of symmetry. So whenever you have a ring with 5 carbons, no need to check for center of symmetry only, because there will never be center of symmetry for 5-membered ring. Similarly, if you take 6-membered compound, or if you take hexagon, okay, if you draw all body diagonals, this is a diagonal, ये एक diagonal हुआ. Okay, all these diagonals, are they intersecting at a common point? Yes. So this particular geometry will be having center of symmetry, or I need to check for the center of symmetry in 6-membered compounds. I need to check for the center of symmetry in case of 4-membered compounds. I need not check for the center of symmetry in case of 5-membered compounds. 7-membered compounds में भी the diagonals won't be meeting at a common point, so उसमें भी center of symmetry check करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Clear है? Okay. Okay. चेक करने का मतलब क्या है वो भी एक बार समझ लेते हैं. If I am having a hexagon or a compound which is having 6 carbons. Okay, you are having 2 groups, there will be 2 other groups, यहाँ पे भी you have 2 other groups. Okay, read the definition here. It is the center of the molecule from which all atoms or groups are equidistant along the diagonally opposite ends. मतलब क्या है? If you take the center of symmetry, everyone concentrate. यहाँ से उस पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप से सेंटर तक जितना डिस्टेंस होगा, it will be exactly equal to the diagonally opposite end. मतलब ये वाला ग्रुप से सेंटर तक the distance will be same. इधर से इधर तक जो डिस्टेंस है, इधर तक जो डिस्टेंस है, both the distances will be same. Okay, they are equidistant along the diagonally opposite ends. Is that clear? Okay, similarly यहाँ से यहाँ तक जो भी डिस्टेंस रहेगा, that distance will be exactly equal to the distance between these two. Clear है? Okay. Molecule having center of symmetry का मतलब क्या है? In this diagonally opposite ends, if you have similar groups, मतलब यहाँ पे भी CH3 है, यहाँ पे भी CH3 है, यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन है, यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन है, then the molecule is said to have center of symmetry. Diagonally opposite ends में जो groups है, if they are similar, then the molecule is said to have center of symmetry. I will show you examples. Look at this example. Look at this example, everyone. Understand this. We will try to see if this particular molecule is chiral or not. Okay. We can understand that by either plane of symmetry or by center of symmetry. ये जो particular molecule है, does it have plane of symmetry? Plane of symmetry का मतलब क्या है? You should be passing a plane. About that particular plane, the molecule should be symmetrical. If I am passing this particular plane, यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन है, यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन है, ठीक है, बट यहाँ पे ब्रोमीन, यहाँ पे क्लोरीन है ना. So about this plane, the molecule is not symmetrical. Similarly, if I am passing the plane through these atoms, okay, about this plane, you are having these. यहाँ पे Cl है, यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन है. So both of them are different. About this plane, the atoms are different. So this is also not a plane for plane of symmetry. Agreed? So this molecule, can I say it has plane of symmetry or not? It has no plane of symmetry. Agreed? Okay. इसके पास chiral carbons है? Because we need to check for the molecule to be chiral or not, if and only if there is a chiral carbon. Is there any chiral carbon? Please look at this. This is the chiral carbon. Clockwise sense में आपको Br यहाँ पे आया है, यहाँ पे Br it is above. In this case, the Br is present below the plane. In this case, the Br is present above the plane. So this carbon is chiral. Similarly, this carbon is also chiral. This is also chiral. This is also chiral. So it is having a chiral carbon. Okay. But this particular molecule is having, observe, this is having center of symmetry. About the diagonally opposite ends, you are having similar groups. यहाँ पे भी Cl है, यहाँ पे भी Cl है, यहाँ पे भी हाइड्रोजन है, यहाँ पे भी हाइड्रोजन है. Okay, is that clear? यहाँ पे भी हाइड्रोजन है, यहाँ पे भी हाइड्रोजन है. You have bromine, यहाँ पे भी bromine. About the diagonally opposite ends, you are having same groups. Hence, this particular compound is said to have which type of symmetry? It is having center of symmetry. Understood? Hence this particular molecule will be,
Chiral.
I hope this is clear what is meant by center of symmetry. Everyone शिव प्रसाद सीधा बैठ जाओ, हाथ हाथ हटा दो। हाँ तुम भी, आयुष तुम तो दोनों हाथ रख दिया। ओके ठीक है। Is this clear? What is meant by center of symmetry? You need to see from the center of symmetry reference point. You need to see the diagonally opposite ends. If the groups are same, all the groups are same, then the molecule is said to have center of symmetry. If it is having center of symmetry, इसका mirror image अगर आप लोग लिया तो by rotating it in the space in different ways, I can make it superimposed on this. Okay, is that clear, everyone? So this compound is not chiral, this is achiral. Look for this compound. Tell me if it is chiral or achiral.
Chiral.
Okay, good. What is the reason for that?
Plane of symmetry.
यहाँ पे plane of symmetry. इस case में there is no plane of symmetry, but in the next example there is plane of symmetry. How many of you are having doubt in identifying plane of symmetry in this example? देखो इस केस में plane of symmetry identify करने के लिए I am choosing this particular plane. Everyone understand this? It may not be that obvious starting में. I am choosing this particular plane. Everyone, I'm choosing this particular plane. The atoms which are present on the plane, you need not check for those atoms. What is the reason? Atoms मतलब क्या है? ऐसा एक circles है ना? Atoms are considered to be spheres. If this is a sphere, if I'm passing a plane through this, और जो sphere है equally divide हो जाएगा. So left hand side, right hand side same ही होगा. और ऐसा सोचो, the groups or atoms which are present on the plane, you need not consider those groups. इनके अलावा you need to check only this. यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन है, यहाँ पे भी हाइड्रोजन है, यहाँ पे Cl है, यहाँ पे भी Cl है. So is there any plane of symmetry?
So
Yes, there is plane of symmetry. For this there is no center of symmetry. Center of symmetry क्यों नहीं है? Diagonally opposite ends में different groups है. यहाँ पे chlorine है तो यहाँ पे H है. Here you may have the same groups. You need to have all the groups similar diagonally opposite. Okay, so this doesn't have center of symmetry, but this is having plane of symmetry. Hence, overall, this is going to be achiral. Any doubt, anyone? Okay, solve these examples too. ये examples solve कर लेते हैं आज के लिए. After that, we will end the lecture. Solve these examples. Identify if the molecule is chiral or achiral by seeing if it is having center of symmetry or plane of symmetry.
Chiral.
Chiral.
Reason?
Plane of symmetry.
Plane of symmetry.
Very good. Plane of symmetry है. Is
तो ये भी
there any
नहीं
center
है
of symmetry?
chiral compound.
Very good. वो भी देखना है पहले, but ठीक है. There is no chiral carbon only. Clockwise में Br नीचे, anti-clockwise में Br नीचे, clockwise में Br नीचे, anti-clockwise. Similarly इसके लिए Cl नीचे, Cl भी नीचे. There is no chiral carbon only. So the molecule will definitely be achiral. Okay. यहाँ पे ये भी लिख सकते हो achiral and you don't even have a chiral carbon. Is that clear? And यहाँ पे plane of symmetry क्या होगा? This particular plane, the plane which is passing through these atoms. यहाँ पे HCl, यहाँ पे H और Cl. Clear? Okay. Answers.
Chiral.
Is there any plane of symmetry?
No,
Can
sir.
you pass any plane? If I am passing it here, H यहाँ पे Cl है, नहीं होगा. If I am passing it here, यहाँ पे H, यहाँ पे CS3 है, नहीं होगा. Okay? Take any planes. On the plane जो भी atoms रहेगा, उनको check करने की जरूरत नहीं. There is no plane of symmetry. Is there any center of symmetry?
No, sir.
वो भी नहीं है. यहाँ पे CS3 है, यहाँ पे Br है. So this molecule will definitely be
Chiral. Chiral.
chiral. There are chiral carbons. Agreed? This
Chiral.
carbon is chiral.
Okay.
This carbon is also chiral. Okay, next question. ये वाला. This is achiral.
Chiral. Plane of symmetry.
Plane of symmetry.
There is plane of symmetry. Very good. Okay. This compound,
Chiral.
Chiral.
chiral. Reason,
Plane of symmetry.
Symmetry.
very good. Plane of symmetry है. Hence this is achiral. Next,
Chiral.
this is chiral.
Chiral.
There is no plane of symmetry. If it is a chiral, you can also draw its mirror image. क्या हो जाएगा? यहाँ पे H, यहाँ पे Cl, यहाँ पे Cl, यहाँ पे H. Agreed? So this is chiral. Any doubt, anyone? Everyone, any doubt? Oh, okay. I'll give you a homework. Please solve this question. Take this as homework. I'll give you 2 questions. The question is, calculate the total number of dichloro derivatives. What is meant by dichloro derivative? Anyone?
2 chlorine compound.
You need to replace 2 hydrogens with 2 chlorines. Cyclopentane में आपको you need to replace any of the 2 hydrogens with 2 chlorines. That will give you a dichloro derivative. You are deriving that compound by replacing 2 hydrogens with 2 chlorines. Okay. You need to count stereoisomers also. मतलब वो chiral है तो उसका 2 compounds रहेगा. Stereoisomers also. एक ही question है. Solve this question. We will discuss in the tomorrow's lecture. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.